What up, y'all? I'm about to try these no hands. I'm a little scared, I ain't gonna lie to you. This feels so unnatural. I don't feel like something that, I don't know, like you just go from holding yourself up with your hands and my right arm don't straighten all the way, so that'd be another thing. But you just go to feeling so like, you hold yourself up with this, your hands, but I want to try it. They teaching me a little bit. I'm about to try it. That's one of the tricks I've really been trying to get in my bag, for real. I'm gonna start with some one hands though. I already can one hand, you know, that's cake, but you know, gotta start making shit. I'll be having to do that because my brake foot be feeling slippery, so I just slide it on the front a little bit. So let's try it though. Let me start regular. You think you can shift it?
What do you mean?
Shift the bike.
Oh.
You think so?
I think so.
Ready? Woo! That was scary. I'm gonna take my foot off. Hold on, one more time. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, you see that 2 versus shift, nigga? That shit was hard.
I'm gonna have the other foot hanging, and I'm gonna try to let go with one hand, you know, no hands. But it ain't gonna be no full extension.
Wait, what are you doing?
Trying to be dragging your foot on
No,
the
it's
bar?
not. Oh no foot on
Oh,
the ground.
nothing? I could do that.
I know you can, but I gotta get a picture to fuck with Chucky, cause I don't know if you know Chucky.
Nah.
When Chucky do it, he like full extension like this. I'm gonna do a baby one. I'm
You
like,
can
come
do
on,
it.
Chucky. Technically, I did it. That's what I'm saying.
You can do that shit though, can't you?
It's
Fuck
easy.
no, I ain't doing that.
It's
Talking
pretty.
about you got a foot on the bar. foot
What
on
is
the
Chucky
brake?
on?
No break, no break.
Oh.
Nothing. It's a nothing. You got one foot on the bar.
One foot on the bar.
The
my
bar's
other
not
foot
at
like
balance
this.
or
Oh, just
nothing.
hanging out?
Yeah, I'm just on the bar.
You just throw it off.
Oh, that's crazy.
Real quick. It's not like a hang trick. It's like a real
Yeah, it's
quick
gonna
trick.
be quick, and I'm gonna get a little.
What is Chucky on though?
I'm just gonna be right behind you.
Yeah, it's just gonna be a video. I'm gonna have to screenshot it.
And he got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's full extension. You gonna change your oil while it's hot, nigga?
I mean, I ain't changed. I'm just adding, but I don't know, and I need oil, so.
I mean, I guess.
Now you made me all worried and shit.
It ain't like antifreeze or nothing like that.
Shit, it ain't gonna bubble out. I ain't got nothing in it.
Oh yeah.
Hey, it might be a little something on the street.
Man, that bitch ain't talking about nothing, man. Psych, nah. Where you trying to race to, man? What you got in this motherfucker?
V16 Z6 on V.
Yep, I don't know what that is, but alright.
Slow as hell. Look at who's put up there, 120. I hit 60 in probably like 7-8 seconds.
You wanna put some money on it? $5. Alright.
You know, my first stick whip, I just always wanted to run it.
Alright, we got a race in the big lot. Go closer to that fence. How you want to do it?
I don't got no more.
Hey, say go. I should like stuck in gear or something.
The shifter.
Huh? Hey, this bitch acting weird. What the fuck is that?
Where did you launch that bitch?
First?
Motherfucker beat me on the bench. No, I ain't going to bench for nobody. Nigga, that bench is faster than damn.
This bitch acting weird, bro.
It's cold. I I ain't gonna lie, I ain't been that far back in the rip.
It's like that bitch go in the neutral, then it just drop again.
What happened? Your shit fucked up?
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened to it.
It won't go to second.
It won't go to second?
No, neutral. It's like, boom. It'll go in and then it'll
That's
drop
neutral right
again.
there. Oh, never mind.
Like, you can feel it go into neutral, but then
It's like it won't shift up or down or something.
Boom.
It's clicking out of neutral. So
Yeah.
out of this, look. Like neutral. As soon as I roll it, they click the bottom of it. You done broke neutral. I ain't never met a nigga that broke neutral, bro.
Yeah, that's just the clutch plate.
Hey, maybe it's been slipping or not? No.
But I ain't checking none of that stuff.
Some bullshit. As long as it's still running raw, you should be good.